Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Hope so. Alhamdulillah, all are doing great. So class, today we are going to learn bird's name. Yes. So are you ready? Then let's start. Okay. Class, do you know what's this? Yes, this is sparrow. This is sparrow. This is sparrow. Very good. And what's this? Yes, this is crow. Ka ka ka. Crow. This is crow. And this is sparrow. Very good, class. So my dear students, this is sparrow. And this is crow. Very good. So now class, we will revision the previous bird's name. Okay. So class, do you know what's this? Yes, this is Moina. This is Moina. Very good. And what's this? This is our national bird. What's this? Yes, this is magpie robin. Very good. This is magpie robin. Very good. And class, do you know what's this? Yes, this is woodpecker. This is woodpecker. Very good. Woodpecker. Yes. And what's this? This is kingfisher. Kingfisher. Very good, class. This is kingfisher. And class, what's this? This is parrot. This is parrot. And this is pigeon. This is pigeon. This is pigeon. And this is parrot. So class, learn these birds' name at home. Now Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.